Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to change Infiniti G35 brake pads. First, gather your essential tools, including a reliable jack, a sturdy lug wrench, and your new brake pads. Always ensure your vehicle is on a perfectly level surface and secured with wheel chocks for safety. Begin by loosening the lug nuts on the wheel you'll be working on. Then, safely raise the car and completely remove the wheel, setting it aside. Now let's remove the old components. You'll need to locate and remove the two caliper bolts, which are often 14mm or 17mm. Once those are out, carefully slide the entire caliper assembly off the rotor. It's crucial to support the caliper properly, perhaps with a wire or bungee cord, to avoid putting any stress on the brake line. Then, simply remove the old brake pads from their bracket. With the old pads out, it's time for the new ones. First, you'll need to compress the caliper piston using a C-clamp or a specialized caliper piston tool to make room for the thicker new pads. Once compressed, carefully install your new brake pads into the caliper bracket. Then, slide the caliper back over the new pads and rotor. Finally, tighten the two caliper bolts to their specified torque, typically around 25 foot-pounds. You're almost done. Reinstall the wheel onto the hub and hand-tighten the lug nuts. Once the wheel is on, carefully lower your vehicle back to the ground. Now, use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nuts to approximately 80 foot-pounds, following a star pattern. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm to properly seat the new pads. Drive cautiously for the first 50 to 100 miles.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.